Sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram. How do you fix if you're getting this type of issues on Instagram? Now, if you're getting this type of Instagram, first of all, the first thing to check is your internet connection to see if it's not an issue with your internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, then what we can actually do is do not try from the same tab over and over again. Whatever you're trying to do, just close the Instagram app completely. If you're using Android better, just long press the Instagram app icon, tap this I button that says App Info and tap the App Info button. Once you're here, just go to the storage usage tab and tap on clear cache, and you can also try clearing the data. However, remember that clearing the data will reset the app, so it will also log you out and remove any account info that you've saved. So clearing the data will do that, but if you're on iPhone, you won't find this option. You have to offload the app instead. After you do this, go to your Play Store or your App Store and just make sure to check if the Instagram app has an update. If it says update, make sure to update it to the latest version. If none of these are working, maybe whenever you're trying to log into your account, you're getting that issue. It could be that your password is incorrect, so in that case you can try to also reset your password. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.